Hi guys, for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Lower Load guys. Lower Load yan dito sa Tewksbury. At meron din yung tinatawag sa harapan upper load. Upper load, may lower load. So yung pupuntahan namin is lower load. So sa harapan yan is upper load guys. At ayan, papunta na kami doon at para lang magpa-refreshing kami buong pamilya kasi masarap yung nakakalabas talaga at nakaka-refresh ng pag-iisip at naka-refresh lahat. At yun, enjoy for watching! Did he lock the gate?
Huh?
Did he lock the gate?
The home of first-time buyers.
Uy,
Wow.
Swan! Swan! Swan!
Hey.
Yes. What's that?